Design. It's more than just aesthetics. It's the language of form, a silent conversation between creator and observer. It's the invisible hand that shapes our world, from the smallest detail to the masterpiece. Whether it's the stroke of a master artist or the line of a perfectly crafted car, design speaks to us on a deeper level. It's the search for beauty, the fusion of form and function. Designer breathes life into raw material, transforming vision into tangible form. An automotive designer shapes metal and light, crafting a dynamic sculpture that moves through the world. Each contour, each surface is meticulously considered. We believe that design is at the heart of everything we do. It's what drives us to create cars that are solid, functional, and authentic. The Elroq RS is a perfect example of this philosophy. A fusion of artistry and engineering. It's modern solid. The stage is set. The masterpiece is ready to be unveiled.
Oliver, we are ready.
So, where are we going?
Milan Design Week.
Milano.
Let's go.
Škoda.